Nigeria is often called the Giant of Africa. This name comes from the vastness of its land, the diversity of its peoples and languages, its huge population, and its soil and other natural resources. Nigeria is a patchwork of distinctive regions, including deserts, plains, swamps, mountains, and steamy jungles. It has one of the largest river systems in the world, including the Niger Delta, the third largest delta on Earth. Much of Nigeria is covered with plains and savannas. These tropical grasslands spread out as far as the eye can see and are interrupted here and there by trees and shrubs. The southwestern plains are home to the Yoruba people, who have lived there for thousands of years. The Nigerian lowland forests are bounded on the south by coastal mangroves and the Gulf of Guinea, on the east by the Niger River and its delta, on the north by the Guinean forest savanna mosaic. On the west it is bounded by the Dahomey Gap, a drier coastal region where forest savanna mosaic extends all the way to the ocean, separating the lower Guinean forests, of which the Nigerian lowland forests are part, from the upper Guinean forests of West Africa. The climate of the ecoregion is tropical savanna climate, dry winter. This climate is characterized by relatively even temperatures throughout the year, and a pronounced dry season. The driest month has less than 60 millimeters of precipitation, and is drier than the average month. About 48% of the territory is closed forest, mostly broadleaf evergreen trees. Another 36% is open forest, 5% is urban and built-up, and the remainder is wetland and herbaceous cover. Because rainfall declines with distance from the sea, the ecoregion exhibits climate bands with vegetation zones that parallel the coast. Closest to the sea is the rainforest zone, then the mixed deciduous forest zone, and farthest inland the parkland zone. In the rainforest zone, the common trees are of the Leguminosae family, Silicodiscus gabonensis, Gos Weilerodendron balsamiferum, Piptodeniastrum africanum, and by the Meliaceae family. While in general the levels of animal endemism is low in the ecoregion, there are some notable endemic species. The endangered white-throated ganon is only found in this ecoregion. The endangered Ibadan malim is found in the northern parkland zone. A recent survey of the Niger Delta recorded the endangered crested genet. The Nigeria crag gecko and the Peretz toad have also been recorded in the region. A dense human population, threatened mammals including the African bush elephant and the western chimpanzee, as well as a few endemic species like the Ibadan malim all share space in this narrow region along the coast in southwestern Nigeria. The Nigerian lowland forests ecoregion has discrete biogeographical boundaries formed by the Niger River Delta on the west and the drier habitats of Dahomey Gap to the east. The pressure from the continuously growing human population and their activities in this region threatens both the forest and the wildlife. The ecoregion is confined to a narrow, gently undulating coastal plain of 150 meters altitude, along the coast in the southwest of Nigeria. The underlying rocks are Precambrian basement, which are exposed in the north but covered by tertiary-aged sediments further south. The distribution of vegetation here is dependent mainly on the climate, which explains the gradual change from rainforest in the south, where the typical mean annual rainfall varies from 2,000 to 500 millimeters, to mixed deciduous forest further north, which receives 1,500 to 2,000 millimeters per year. Even further inland is the parkland zone, which, unlike the previous two climax systems, is anthropogenic and maintained by annual bushfires. The distribution of wet and dry months is uniform throughout the ecoregion, with a 3-month dry season from December to February. A number of sizable rivers drain this ecoregion, including the Ogun, the Oshun and the Oni. The rainforest zone in the south of this ecoregion is dominated by members of the Leguminosae and Meliaceae families, including Brachystegia spp, Silicodiscus gabonensis, Gos Weilerodendron balsamiferum, and Entandrophragma spp. In the drier northern portion of mixed deciduous forests and parkland, Dominant trees in the forest belong to the Sterculiaceae, Meraceae, and Ulmaceae families, such as Cola spp, and Chiaris africana, Ficus spp, and Holoptelia grandis.